Hey there, YouTube world. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fantastic. Oh yeah, I'm doing fantastic here, and I've got a special unboxing today here on the computer channel. You might hear some background noise today because I'm filming on the Pixel 3a, the phone that gets hot too quickly and switches off or restarts. So what I had to do is turn on my aircon on high, the air conditioner on high, and I also have the fan on up there pointed right at this phone, the Pixel, just to cool it down. Yep, that's how you work a Google phone apparently. So I have this special package from eBay. Well, first of all, it's special because look at how small and cute the box is. It's like, you know, it's like a complete square box. I really like the packaging. I also like the label. This is like the smallest label ever that I got from eBay from someone. So, yeah, his last name is Robbins. So thanks, Robbins, for packaging this in such a wonderful manner. So, all right. Which one should I use? Too big, too small, too tall, too short? Alright, let's try the big one. Easier to cut and all. Okay. So that's a very simple unboxing. Oh well. Sometimes it cuts, sometimes it doesn't want to cut. Alright. So ta-da! Here it is. This is what I've been waiting for to arrive from eBay. And here he is. Yep, that's Raphael from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles classic version from 1989. So this is the original 1989 Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and boy is he in a wonderful condition. This Robbins kept him pristine, in a very good condition. The head is strong, everything is strong. I wonder if he played with it. Well, if he didn't, good for me. Here's weapons. So the thing with this Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle action figure, is you get it on eBay for like $15 or maybe $20, but it doesn't come with the complete weapon set, because a lot of young kids, when they opened it when they were a kid back in 1989, 1988, that's when this toy was released, the classic toy. So they opened it and they lost these weapons. So this is why I had to pay extra costs, and I had to actually bid on eBay to get this figure, this Raphael figure, which is in awesome condition. So I'm very happy with it. I had to pay $29, but I'm super happy with it because I am actually amazed at how cool and how well this action figure was kept by Robbins, the original owner of this action figure. Awesome, man. Just awesome. Super awesome. He even has this belt. So this belt is very rare. You don't find this belt, his weapon belt. You don't get them on eBay because most of the owners lost the weapons. They couldn't, because it's so tiny, right? So this is Raphael, and this actually completes my Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle collection. So I have Raphael, I have Michelangelo, which I did an unboxing of, also in a pretty good condition with all the weapons, everything on him, complete set. Then I have Leonardo, also complete set. This two things belongs to Michelangelo, but I made Leonardo hold it. So yeah, also complete set in pretty good condition. And then my first addition to Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles collection when I started off, maybe 5 or 6 months ago. Donatello. So he's my first on eBay. I found him and I ordered him, and he came by, and I opened him and I saw he was in a very good condition, except for his head. It's pretty loose compared to the other heads, but he's so well kept. So yeah, 1988. So he's 1988, 89, somewhere there. So that completes my Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles collection, action figure collection. Yay! Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this vintage action figure unboxing and complete collection of TMNT. Stay cool, everybody, and stay fantastic. Oh, yeah.